Hey everyone, today I want to talk about Microsoft's latest enterprise suite for Office 365, which is the E5 suite. E5 includes some really good upgrades over the other suites, including Cloud PBX and PSTN conferencing. You can even add PSTN calling for a complete solution from Microsoft. In addition to that, you're going to get some advanced analytics through Power BI and Delve Analytics. Those are both very cool tools, and if you haven't checked them out already, I will link up to each of them in the resources so that you can check them out. It's definitely worth the time to take a look at it. Very cool stuff there. You'll also get in-place advanced e-discovery, so that's new, and I think that'll be a great feature for anyone needing to do e-discovery. There's also advanced threat protection and security. And Microsoft has also included something called Customer Lockbox, which is great. It allows you to control Microsoft support engineers' access to your data. So they can just have access to what they need to fix, and then access is revoked. So you control that. I think that's a great new feature from Microsoft, a nice addition that you can take advantage of. Now, some of these things you can also buy outside of the E5 suite, but it's a great suite for everything that's been added. I will go ahead and include a link to a comparison of all of the enterprise suites. You'll see that E4 is actually going away. So June 30th, the E4 suite is being discontinued. That aligns with Microsoft's fiscal year end. And because it's Microsoft's fiscal year end, if any of this sounds interesting to you, now would be a great time to check it out because you've got about 2.5 months or so left in their fiscal year, and it's probably the best time to get any type of discounts or deals from Microsoft. So I hope this is helpful. Check out the links for more information on like Power BI, Delve Analytics, the Customer Lockbox, and just the E5 suite in general. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Thanks so much.